welcome to another video. So today the idea is to solve some challenges which enables you to learn basic Linux commands. So if you don't know how to use Linux, um, or if you just want to see how the command line works and then install Linux, this is a good starting point. Uh, this is basically a war game. This is really old. This has been there for a long period of time. Uh, Really basic challenges at first, which gets you insights into how you use Linux terminal and basic Linux command line utilities. Then you move forward into further levels where you are actually doing some serious stuff. So let's first start from the very basic level instead of just talking about Bandit. Bandit is what it is called. So I'm just going to open a PowerShell window. I have SSH already here. So that is the first thing that you need to use SSH. Let me just increase the command terminal size before I go forward. Appearance. Interaction. Not interaction. Actions. Color schemes. Tango light. I want to increase my font. There is font. Text formats. Copy. Meters. Appearance. Yep. So I want it to be a bit more bigger so that people can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I think that should be enough. Save. Yeah, perfect. All right. So this is level 0. The goal for this level is for you to log into the game. So this is actually running. The host is running at Bandit Labs over the wire, and it's running on port 220. Username is Bandit 0. So in Linux, you have a basic utility called SSH, uh, which you use to connect uh, remotely to another server or a system. It's kind of like a secure shell. Uh, so you use SSH, and how you log in is you enter in your username, that is bandit0, and you need putting your host name, that is bandit. I'll just copy it for because it's easier. I want to make my life easier. And port we define with -p. So what that basically means is that in a system you have multiple ports, and which port are you connecting to, you're just defining that. By default you're connecting to 22, but here they have specifically said you need to connect to another port 220. Now yeah, they ask you to if you want to connect, yeah, and you just connect it. And they ask for a valid password where they have already mentioned the password. And yep, I am done. It's good. So now I am actually in the server. I can see a file over there called readme. ls is for listing the files in a directory, and cat is for just reading the file. So see, you have broken the first level, and the password you're looking for is this thing. Let me just open a new tab. This is bandit 0 flag. This is what you call a flag. Okay, I'll copy that flag. So how Bandit works is that in every level you get a flag which will be your password for the next level. So you always make sure you copy the password and store it somewhere in a file. Now we can just exit it. I will go again to the application, go to level 1. So see, they have already mentioned if you have read the readme and you got the password, you just log into the same thing, but the username is bandit1. So I'll just change the name to bandit1 and I just log in. They asked me the password. I'll copy the one that I got. Yep, logged in. So again, I'm just checking what's there. So ls minus lrt actually lists everything here. Oh, there is something here. So okay, ls minus lrt. Okay, cat twin can. Okay, ls minus a. Is there a directory there? Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, cat slash. Okay. So it's a read write read. It's a file though. Let's search it. Let's search in the Google how do you read a file? Just starts with a special character in Linux. One file with so how you blah blah. We don't have a result. Oh shit. Hmm. Well, I tried that. It's not a directory anyways. It's a file. Uh, mhm. You can grab that as well. What the hell? Mm, let me just read the file. Huh. The password for the next time is stored in a... Oh, I was wrong. It was stored in a file called readme in the home directory. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so I'm in bandit 1 right now. So there is this thing here. How do you read a file? Which is a special character. You know what? I'm gonna ask GPT. Uh, okay, let's try that. Oh bloody hell! I look like such a fool right now. But yeah, that's at times you need to, search things out. Anyways, let's log into the next thing, that is Bandit 2. Hope it will be easier. Whew. Right, spaces in the file name. Yeah, this is easy. You can just, whenever there is spaces in the file name, right, you can just put it like this, and that's it. Basically, what you are doing is, uh, when you put the double quotes, right, you are basically telling the system to see that as a string. So this entire thing is taken up as a string and it will read the file. Super easy. I'll save the password again. This is second, right? So now I need to find for the third one. So I'll exit this. I'll put on 3 and I'll paste the password, login. Okay, cd in here. So I've just moved into another directory. There's nothing here. Let me just do if there is an, oh yeah, see, it's hiding from me. So I'll just, so in Linux, if you do dot, you can basically hide a file from basic listing. But if you do ls minus a, which is list all files, you can see the file. And that's easy. And I copied the third one. Now I can exit this. I can again do the lab. See, this is fun. Like if you start doing it and you start getting the flow, it's super fun to do it. We have already reached level 4. So again, it's an in here folder. Oh, there is multiple files. So I'll do just to grep star. Oh, ls minus lrt. But these are all files. Can I do cat star? Cat. Okay, is this directory? Is no, right? Oh, can only read that, I guess, like this. Oh, okay. What's in? Okay, I guess this might be the password. I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it. So what I basically did is that all files start with the suffix as file 00, right? And it is 123. So I just gave file 0 and stuff, so it will grab all the files and it will display what all are inside. And this is the only human readable part in the in I guess this might be in one of the files. I don't know which one though. So maybe if we go like uh to be honest, I have no clue. But I guess this might be the password. I'm pretty sure it is the password. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that is the password. See, I told you. Let's go again. Oh my god. Let's start. Oh. Okay, so my idea will be here to recursively search through all the directories to find a file. So how do I do that? Recursively search through directories and show files. Okay, so I cannot use find because I don't know what I'm searching for. Or do I? Huh? I have no clue what I'm searching for. So my idea will be to list all files in subdirectories. Yeah, I'll do find dot. Okay, so there are a ton of files in these things and I have no clue what they are though. Let's do cat all the files in subdirectories. Can I do grep dot star? Uh, Alright, this thing looks pretty promising. So whatever you're finding in the subdirectories, it's if it is a file, you are executing cat, and this will be the argument, and you will be attaching it here. This looks promising. Let's, let's try that. Oh my god. Oh my god. What just happened? So we were able to get all the contents from that, but we have no clue what it is. Hmm. Can I search for password? Next level maybe? Nah. Okay. This is turning out to be a bit of a pain. Okay, what can we do so that uh, hmm this doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we were in 3 to 4 or 4 to 5, right? Okay, so I guess are we in level 4 to 5, or we are in 5 to 6 actually? Oh, I didn't read the level though. See, the password in the it's a human readable. It's 1033 bytes in size and it's not executable. I'll copy that. Find files of particular size in Linux. Okay. Uh-huh. Nope. Yeah. Search by file size. Okay, find dot minus size 1033, right? I also need to give as minus type as file. And the ability to specify the size, you will need to use a size option. It has straightforward syntax and we find file size. It's very useful and suffixes you can, so you don't have to specify 512 byte blocks. Oh, I need to give bytes. Nope. Do I need to give capital bytes? So, what are we looking for here? Bytes in size. Find human readable text in Linux. Find human readable files. Oh, oh, that is 10. Oh, this looks decent. We are looking for size of 1033 characters. Oh, I found it. Maybe here. Aha. See, you don't really have to do all of it. Maybe since yeah, they are specifying is 1033, right? When we search for 1033 characters, we found the file. That's strange. Oh, you know why I was wrong? I gave B its byte blocks. I should have been searching for bytes, so it should have been a C. Shit. Anyways, I'll save that to the file. So that is fifth. Hey, we found it. I guess I'll stop the video here so you get the idea, right? So I'll continue the next of the next levels in the next videos maybe because I think it's video is getting pretty long. So yeah, hey, thank you so much for watching and all the best. See you soon.